Coldest startup attempt so far. I have no tune bearing on this right now. I got snow covering everything, and my fuel temp is 27 degrees and my coolant temp is 23. Like a diesel. I'm gonna give it some throttle. Oh, totally lean, huh? Has like no fuel in it. Oh, that was a big difference. Oh, it runs right out. All right. Where is warm up? It needs quite a bit more in here, I guess. Never had to fire this thing this cold, obviously. Oh. Not terrible, obviously. For not really being set up for that, it didn't do that bad. Had to make a few changes, but it's there. Now it's all a breeze once it gets warm. But I'll be trying that again in the next day or two, I bet, to see how it goes. But that's it.